side. Okay, so yeah, just research it, this triangle. Okay, let's first start from this, the front, the side angles, how looks. Yeah, if I this angle C, so what the thing is that the basic shapes were first draw. Basic shapes, what is this? Straight, the circle, and just of the light this when I start, then just watch now. When I tell the start drawing, that time you start, okay? Not start directly. First watch what I do. I just make it first the shadow coming, that's why I. So here I just make it circle, and after the circle, I make it here basic shapes. This just nobody can start drawing now. Just watch first, okay? Where I how I catch the basic line. Okay, this is the basic line. I catch it like I feel that this is basic line. This is the main circle, curve line, and the straight line. This is basically the main. Now add here. I add here the here. क्या बोलता है इसको पूजा? Main. Main. Yeah. So main. So I even the basic in basic pose. Please don't draw anybody. Just see first and check this where I hit the line. Here this is nose. Exactly this position. The circle, half of the circle. Okay, half of the circle. This is the position. You just make it. This is the way. The eyes. Eyes is like this and this. This is the eyes position. But the nose. Understand why I tell that not draw now. Just see first and then understand that why I tell that. Okay. पहले देखो फिर उसको करो. Now here the make this nose, this part, after the nose part, here just add like this. We are starting with lion. Okay, we are starting with lion like this. So it's coming exactly. So nose, eye, then ear. Same position. This is the position of ear. So after the circle, you can start the ear. This is the position. It's also oval kind of.